Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, and today I'm going to be telling you how you can get Apple CarPlay on your Tesla's infotainment display. Ability to do this is all due to this little device created by Carlinkit that is a module that communicates between your phone into your Tesla, giving you the ability to pull up CarPlay on your Tesla's browser. This gives you access to all the same features you have in a car that has native CarPlay built in and stays active while driving so that you'll be able to use all the different apps that you typically would have access to on your phone on the go. Carlink did provide this product to me for free to do a review on, so first of all, thank you so much Carlink for providing this product. And they also provided me with a discount code especially for my viewers. So if you're interested in this or any of the other products they have, you can use the code mightymax at checkout to get 18% off your entire order. They have a ton of different accessories and adapters, not just limited to Tesla and not just limited to Apple as well. They have devices that work with Android Autoplay as well, so it's definitely worth checking out their site. I'll include a link in the description below if you're interested to this product and to their main page. But with that, let's see what came into the box and get this on the car. Alright, so the Carlinkit comes in a very simple little box. This should be a pretty easy and non-invasive install, which I'm excited about. I've done a lot lately with modifying my car with products that require you to actually pull panels off and plug in, so it'll be nice to have something that works without having to do anything too invasive. So let's get right into the box and see what this comes with. Alright, so here you have the module that will be communicating with your phone and the car that will allow you to have that Apple CarPlay ability on your Tesla infotainment display. And then we have two sets of wires. One is a USB-A to USB-C hookup, and the other is a USB-C to USB-C hookup. The last thing we have is the manual, which I will be reading through prior to install. Again, always appreciate when products have a paper manual that you can hold on to and keep track of versus going online for directions or watching a video. So definitely nice to see. Let's go ahead and take the plastic cover off of this. And yeah, this appears to be good to go from here. So let's go on to the install in the car and see how this thing works in action. So this is an incredibly easy device to set up. First you plug it in using a free USB-C or USB-A outlet. It comes with wires for both, so you have flexibility to choose whichever one you might have open. Once it powers on, you connect the cell phone that you want to connect via CarPlay to the Bluetooth signal that the device is putting out. Also ensure your phone has the hotspot mode enabled. Once that connects successfully, then you connect your Tesla's infotainment Wi-Fi to the Wi-Fi connection that the module is putting out. Make sure you modify the settings within that Wi-Fi connection to ensure that the connection will remain connected while in drive. This will be important to accessing your CarPlay when you're on the go. As you're completing the connection steps, you should note that the device's connection indicators are lighting up green to demonstrate that they've successfully connected. Once everything's connected, the final step here is to go to testpush.com in your Tesla's browser, which will pull up the CarPlay connection screen. Now for me, this part took a little while for it to get connected the first time. Just be patient the first time around and allow this web page to pair with your phone and the device. And when it's fully connected, you'll see it pull up the full CarPlay display right on your Tesla's browser. You now have the full CarPlay experience on your Tesla. And let's take a quick look at what this looks like and how it works. So I personally think this is a really cool option. There's a lot that I love about the Tesla infotainment display and the built-in apps, but there also is some things that I miss out on when I'm driving my other cars that have native CarPlay. This allows you to get access to all those same features and apps that you might not have access to if you're just relying on Tesla's homegrown design. From maps to messages to phone calls, you can access all the things that you would do on a CarPlay device from your Tesla for the first time, which is an awesome feature and something that I think a lot of people do miss if they switch from a typical vehicle to a Tesla. Now I will say that this doesn't run quite as smoothly as native CarPlay, but I think that is less to do with the adapter that is provided and more to do with the fact that Tesla's browser simply isn't designed to handle this type of ongoing streaming while driving. That being said, the fact that you can still access this and run your CarPlay while driving and basically get all the same type of access is awesome to see, and definitely something that I'll personally be using to access more than just the Tesla-based apps. The only other downside I found with using this device was that it seemed to be using my phone's hotspot even when I was out of the car and the Tesla was powered off. I was under the impression that it would power down with the car, but while still plugged in, it was still communicating back and forth with my phone, so I just have gotten into the habit of unplugging it when I don't want to use it anymore. This will definitely limit your data use, so I highly recommend doing this if you are enabling the hotspot with this device. But yeah, overall, very cool, very unique device, and for anyone who has been missing out on CarPlay on their Tesla since they purchased it, definitely recommend checking it out. Right now, these are on sale for $69.99, which is an incredibly affordable price, especially if you use my discount code on top of that to get an additional 18% off. Again, that's MightyMax, all one word at checkout to get that discount. But yeah, that's all I really had to talk about today. Interested to see what you all think in the comments. Do you think this is worthwhile, or are you simply satisfied with the UI and the application that comes with your Tesla built in? Definitely let me know in the comment section below what you think. And as always, if you did like this content and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.